Kimora's Adventures. Hey, I'm Kimora, and I learned something very important yesterday. Let's take a look at yesterday's lesson.
One bright morning, Kimora had a wonderful idea. She decided she wanted to grow her very own garden. She thought it would be exciting to plant seeds and watch them grow into beautiful flowers and vegetables. Kimora gathered all the things she needed to start her garden. She got seeds, soil, a watering can, and small pots. She was ready to begin her gardening adventure. Kimora carefully filled each pot with soil and gently placed the seeds inside. She patted the soil down and smiled with satisfaction. Kimora said, "These are going to grow into the most beautiful garden ever." Every day, Kimora watered her plants and made sure they got plenty of sunshine. She knew that growing a garden required patience and hard work. A week went by, and Kimora didn't see any sprouts. She felt a little discouraged and wondered if she was doing something wrong. Kimora said, "Maybe my seeds aren't going to grow." Just then, Kimora's mom came outside to check on her. She saw Kimora looking worried. Kimora's mom said, "Don't worry, Kimora. Sometimes it takes a little while for seeds to grow. Just keep taking care of them, and they will sprout soon." Kimora nodded and decided to keep trying. One morning, as she was watering her garden, she noticed something amazing. A tiny green sprout was poking out of the soil. Kimora said excitedly, "Mom, come look! My seeds are growing!" As the days went by, more and more sprouts appeared. Soon, Kimora's garden was full of colorful flowers and delicious vegetables. She was so proud of her hard work and patience. Kimora said, "I did it, Mom! My garden is beautiful!" Kimora learned that with patience, hard work, and a little bit of love, she could achieve anything.
Wow, I sure learned a valuable lesson yesterday. What did you learn? Let me know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to follow along with all my adventures. Bye!